Welcome back. So in this video I'm gonna make a resin bowl. So for which I'm gonna use this peacock blue liquid color. So as you can see, I've already prepared my resin and I'm gonna take around more than half of what I've prepared into this separate cup so I can mix the color into it. So I think I'll mix around 3 to 4 drops of the liquid color, and I have taken 4 drops, and let's just mix it properly and so that it's thoroughly mixed with the resin. You can see it's done. Now let's start pouring. So I'm first gonna pour the blue resin into it, blue colored resin into it on the outer side. And just the resin in the center. I'm gonna spread it around because as you can see, one side of it has more of the blue and not the other. It's unevenly spread. So let's just spread it around. I think I'll give it a design in the center, like a flower or something. Let's pour the resin first. I'll take out any blue resin left with me. So now that that's done, I think I'll give it the design I want to do. So just take the stick which you were using to mix the color now, or any tooth pin, and just make the design you want. Make the flower. Here I'm just taking the blue color and dragging it to the center. Now when that's done, I will put a little bit of silver flakes into it. Okay, it should have been in the center. You can put any flakes you want. It can be silver, gold or bronze as per your wish. Place it properly into the center this time. Just push it inside so it's not on the top. Okay, so now this is done. We are going to set it aside for 4 to 5 hours or around maximum 6 depending on the resin you have taken. I have taken 2:1, so 5 to 6 hours is more than enough for it to still stay flexible but enough to take it out from the mold. So now it's been around 6 hours and I'm going to take it out of the mold and put it in the bowls to get it a shape. I've successfully taken it out from the bowl and from the mold, and I'm gonna put it in the bowl so it gets a bit of a round, not round, yeah, it gets the shape. I'm gonna use the tape to give it a little different shape, as this is not exactly what I wanted it to be. So I'm gonna stick 2 sides of it together. And the same with the other 2 sides as well. I think you guys can see the shape which I want. So I'll just put the tape on the other two sides as well. Well, I think the tape is not big enough and I might need another one. Yes. So I'm gonna put the tape and then we will leave it aside for another 7 to 8 hours for it to be totally hard enough and not flexible anymore. So we don't need the balloon, so let's just put in the silicone and let it be for the next 7 to 8 hours. So while I prepared this to keep my pearls in it, so while making bracelets and all, you can put anything in it like pins or beads. It can be a multi-purpose bar. It's been 7 hours and I have removed the tape and it looks absolutely stunning. I'll give you a closer look to it. So as I said, my purpose was to put the pearls in it, so that's what I'm going to do. And here it is. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe for more.